This is the chamomile tea bags by TeeLux's. I want to go ahead and thank the brand for sending me these. Chamomile tea is one of my favorite teas, especially I love to use chamomile tea to wind down after a long day. It helps me relax. So this comes in a 100 bag package and it has a zip close at the top. You just rip it open and then it has a Ziploc close. So when you open it up, you can see the tea bags. They come in these triangular bags. And what I love, number one thing I love about this tea is that the ingredients are chamomile flowers. So this is not your typical commercial tea where it's just some ground up powder that you may not know what it is. This is real chamomile flowers. You can kind of see them right here, but you'll see them even better once they're in the water. I love the fact that because of that, it's just so authentic and you get a real nice rich flavor. Basically what it says is to put one tea bag and add 5 to 6 ounces of water and to steep it for 4 to 6 minutes. So here's my water and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up. You can see it already starting to turn color as it steeps. Having a little stir here. Let me just show you a little closer. You can really see real chamomile flowers. You can see that really nicely in there. And that was so impressive to me. I love chamomile tea and this is just as authentic as you can get, you know, with these real flowers. So you can steep it a little more than the 4 to 6 minutes, but I wouldn't do it much longer than that because it can have a bitter taste if you steep it for too long. But I love this tea. It has a nice rich taste and I love the authenticity. I mean, you can't, like I said, you can't get any more authentic than this. You see the actual flowers in here. So nice aroma, nice pleasant aroma, just strong chamomile. I am really pleased with this tea and I highly recommend it.